In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make hot cocoa with chocolate chips. So maybe you don't have powdered cocoa, but you have milk and you have chocolate chips. And I'm going to show you how you can make hot chocolate really quickly. You're going to take dairy milk or your favorite dairy-free milk alternative. This works with almond milk, coconut milk, whatever it is that you use. You need 1 cup of milk per person and 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips per serving. So we also have a small pot in which we are going to pour our milk into the pot. And you are going to need a whisk because that way you don't scrape your pot, but you also want to use the whisk to melt your chocolate chips evenly into the chocolatey hot cocoa. So now that our milk is warm in the pot, you want to add in your chocolate chips. With your whisk, you are going to combine the mixture until there are no chocolate chips left at the bottom. And that's going to take about 3 minutes or so. You also don't want to have your heat too high because you don't want to burn the milk. Okay, so medium heat is perfect for this. And now check it out. Look at how steamy it is. The mixture is nice and chocolatey. We're going to simply turn off the heat and pour it into a mug. Check it out. It's thick, rich, delicious, chocolatey, and if you want an extra treat, you can definitely top it with whipped cream. And there you have it, guys. A super easy recipe to how to make hot cocoa with chocolate chips. Now, before you head onto the pantry and grab your hot chocolate chips in the fridge for your milk, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and check out the other videos that I have for you on how to make a lot of other hot cocos that I have on this channel. See you next time.